Potato chips are one of most popular snacks worldwide. Every day, millions of packets are produced in factory. Potatoes are stored in controlled environments. Proper storage keeps them fresh and ready for processing. The journey starts on potato farms where high-quality potatoes are grown. Only the best potatoes are selected for production. Fresh potatoes are delivered to the factory quickly to maintain freshness. They are moved onto conveyor systems for processing. Potatoes are thoroughly washed using high-pressure water. This removes dirt, stones, and impurities. Damaged or unsuitable potatoes are removed automatically. Only the best potatoes continue in the process. The potatoes enter peeling machines. Skins are removed efficiently without damaging the potato. After peeling, the potatoes are washed again. This ensures complete cleanliness and hygiene. The potatoes are sliced into thin, uniform pieces. Uniform slices ensure even cooking in the fryer. Excess starch is removed from the slices. This step helps make the chips crispy and light. The slices enter industrial fryers. They are cooked at precise temperatures for the perfect crunch. Excess oil is removed from the chips. This improves flavor and texture. The chips are cooled to preserve their crunch and quality. Cooling also prepares them for seasoning. Seasonings are evenly added to the chips. Different flavors are applied according to recipes. Advanced machines inspect every chip for quality. Broken or imperfect chips are removed automatically. The chips are packed into airtight bags to stay fresh. They are boxed and ready to be shipped to stores worldwide.